I am Antoni Llobet. I got my PhD back to 1985 at Autonomous University of Barcelona in synthetic chemistry. Back to 2006, I joined ICIQ. Our research group is focused on multiple research lines, each contributing to solving critical scientific and societal challenges. One of the most urgent needs of our planet is facing today is the replacement of fossil fuels responsible for global warming by clean and sustainable solar fuels. And that's exactly the main goal our group is facing at the moment, the generation of solar fuels via artificial photosynthesis. This is a topic we pioneered about 20 years ago and provided to the scientific community with the mechanistic basis for the catalysts that are being used today for the production of efficient green hydrogen. But green hydrogen is just the first step. It is a solar fuel that needs to be compressed for its use, and it's thus not ideal, although it is obviously much better than just nothing. Nowadays, we are strongly focusing our attention beyond hydrogen towards the next generation of easily condensable fuels such as ammonia and of liquid fuels such as methanol or ethanol. Our success wouldn't be possible without the team of researchers, students, and collaborators that we have here at ICIQ. We foster a collaborative environment where ideas are shared and teamwork is paramount. The work we develop here is carried out by a team of young, talented PhDs and postdocs, together with the support of our in-house ICIQ technicians. We work together as a team to tackle specific problems, always headed towards a common goal: the efficient, clean, and sustainable generation of solar fuels via artificial photosynthesis. We have collaborations all over the world, especially in Europe, US, and Asia, that complement our knowledge and know-how on theory, on light-absorbing materials, light management and photovoltaics, synchrotron spectroscopy, microscopy, etc. We use any techniques available to complement our work and take the best of the different options. In conclusion, our research group develops cutting-edge research in the areas of molecular chemistry and material science for the generation of solar fuels via artificial photosynthesis for the benefit of our entire society.